Okay. Do you want me to put your hands on your stomach? Okay. I'm going to use this to massage your head, okay? Come. No? No? Put your hands on your stomach. Does it feel good? Here. Okay, put your hands on your stomach. Okay? Let's try that one more time. Oh, does that feel nice?
Me too. Me too. Me too.
Oh.
Mama, me
What kind of faces are you making? No, don't do that, please. Let's not make.
Me
Ooh.
Put behind.
Behind? Okay, come closer. Massage. Oh, that feels so
I want
nice.
to try it.
Okay, Naomi, your turn. Come. Come closer. Naomi, you can't look up. You can't look up. You're going to poke your eyes. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, that feels nice, doesn't it? Okay, go upstairs and say, Papa, I have a little surprise for you.